Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be styling my hair using my 12-inch Fro Curls clip-ins from Heritage 1933. So in preparation for this style, I have done flat twists in the back of my hair. I've left some leave out on the sides and in the crown of my hair, and I flat twisted those as well. So I'm going to start by pinning up my leave out so that I can install the clip-ins. And normally I install the clip-ins starting at the bottom of my hair and work my way up. But today I am going to install my clip-ins at the top and work my way down. So I'm starting with the 4-clip-in, and these are so simple to install. All you do is open up the clip, insert them into your hair, close the clip, and that is it. So the 4-clip-in was not enough, so I'm going in with a 2-clip-in, and I'm just going to start where the last one left off and then just insert the 2-clip-in next to it. So I'm just going to repeat these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So now that the clip-ins are all installed, it is time to work on this leave out. So I am untwisting the twist on the side so that I can blend it. As you can see, my definition is popping just like these clip-ins. So blending is going to be a piece of cake. And as you can see, it is blending perfectly. So here are my final results using my 12-inch faux curls clip-ins from Heritage 1933. Definitely very easy to install. Definitely blends well with my hair. Loving these clip-ins. I will leave my discount code down in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. So I decided to give you one option for another look that you can do by pinning up the front section and just leaving the sides down for a cute little quick pin-up look. Quick, easy 2-in-1 look. Definitely loving these clip-ins. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.